Welcome back to the Habits and McAllen video blog. I'm attorney Colin McAllen, and today we're going to be talking about driving under the influence of marijuana and some recent changes that the Colorado legislature made to the prosecution of these types of cases. So just in this last legislative session, the Colorado State Legislature passed a law after several failed attempts setting a per se limit for the amount of THC that you can have in your system before you're going to be considered a stoned driver and therefore guilty of driving under the influence of marijuana. The limit that they created is that you can't have THC in your system that exceeds 5 nanograms per milliliter. And they did this in an effort to mirror existing laws related to drinking and driving cases where the blood alcohol limit is 0.08. If you're above 0.08, then you're presumed to be under the influence of alcohol. The whole purpose of this is to create a bright line rule to determine who is stoned and who is not. So if you get pulled over and arrested for driving under the influence of marijuana and you test positive at or above that 5 nanogram per milliliter limit, does that mean that you're guilty? Well, not necessarily. The Colorado legislature just said that if you test at or above the limit, it will create a permissible inference that you are under the influence of marijuana. That inference can be rebutted at a jury trial with other evidence. And this will be an issue for marijuana cases. Marijuana is different from alcohol in the sense that it can stay in your system longer, especially in the case of a chronic user such as a medical marijuana patient. A medical marijuana patient, for example, may use marijuana very frequently, but they may not be impaired while they're driving, even though they may test at that limit. So this will create some issues for these cases going forward. Bottom line, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you've been charged with driving under the influence of marijuana or any other drug, give us a call at Habits and McAllen. We'd love to talk to you about your case, and we know we can help you. Have a great day.